Traders, we are looking at XAGUSD silver on the monthly time frame. Okay, order flow is bullish. We can see clearly. Okay, the banks are invested long. Now, this is trading into some levels here that we need to be mindful of. Okay, so if we look left, see these highs back in here. Well, I mean, it's already spiked through. Okay, that's a monthly. We want to keep in mind that this is a big level, and yeah, I mean it's wicked through it now. It's trading back, and it's touching these levels. So we want to be really careful at this level. Let me just change this. I'm going to go to the right 1 month. So we'll go down the time frames. Okay, higher time frame is bullish. Oh, the other thing you don't see here is any red candles. So it's just been in this relentless bullish move, but on the weekly, yep, okay, so we're seeing some pullbacks on the weekly. This is really nice price action. In fact, I'm always looking at price swings from a low to high, retrace to buy, low to high, retrace to buy. And the next, I mean, look, if you're looking at a swing trade idea, low to high would be, you know, a break above this, okay, higher high, higher low, and possibly a pullback into. All right, so that's the daily idea. Now the opportunity to get weekly, I'm sorry, the opportunity to get in on this time frame would have been down in here, and the next opportunity for me would be a break and retest of this high on the weekly time frame. That's the big picture. But let's go down now to the daily. I'm just undo that because I want to keep the monthly level on here. Just take out the fib and the swing. All right. See how we're banging up against this level? 1, 2, 3. You know, we've had 4 goes at it. So you just want to be really careful up around in here. We're looking for an entry point, but how do you get involved? Well, we'll go down the time frames and we'll look at that. Okay, so again, we're approaching, this is big liquidity up in here, guys. So we've got resting buy stops prior to this sell-off. This is going to tap back into it. This is a target for smart money. Okay, they buy low. And when it rallies like this, this is a likely place that they're going to unload. So let's just mark this up as a key resistance level with that in mind, and I'll mark up that as a red shaded zone, resistance, right? And again, I'm looking for the same price action on this time frame. The daily, we get swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace. Okay, now on the daily, that's my game plan. But we'll go down the lower time frames because we could get an entry in here. So if you pick up the Fibonacci, you know, this is a really nice trend. If you pick up the fib and you go low to high, this is the daily time frame. I'm looking for the pullback into the 50 to the 61.8. We nearly get a touch on the 50 there. Yeah, it kind of pulled away, didn't it? It's not giving me my the move into the 50 nearly. I mean, we're a few pips off, not much. Yeah, it's pretty close to it. But you know what we can do is go down to the lower time frame and look for the rotation. And I mean, this one, of course, if that plays out, then you know that would be an entry point, retest and fail at that high. We look for the rotation on the lower time frame. Okay, so from the higher time frame, weekly and daily, we can we can see what we've got here. And my next port of call for a target is going to be this high on the daily. I'll just mark that up as a 1D. Daily, all right. Okay, so we got potential targets, and these highs will be a target. We go down to the lower time frame, we'll see what we can do with that. So let's now go down to the 4H, see how it looks on this time frame. Okay, so we can mark up these swings a bit more precisely, see how they work out. Pull back. Okay, rallies, pullback, but I'm going to be looking at this red candle. That's generally going to be what I'm looking for on this time frame. I just mark that up as a 4-hour order block. Now I'm going to pull my Fibonacci. In fact, I'll get rid of this. My swings on this time frame go off these order blocks. So I'm going to go swing low, swing high. See that 50 to 61.8. That's my entry point. We do the same thing here. We're going to go off this order block. Well, yeah, that didn't really give us the pullback. It was quite a shallow pullback. Again, you know, you can go down the time frames and look for this rotation. Okay, so we've got the pullback here now. Thing with this, yeah, we're getting, yeah, we've got a slightly lower high. Okay, so we want to see this push up into this level. Let's just go down to a 30-minute. I'm bullish. That's my bias with this. Definitely, I want to be on the long side of this. And it's the same thing again. I mean, well, in fact, we'll go to a 1-hour chart. This might be a bit fast, 30-minute. And it's going to be the same thing again on this time frame. So, you know, what time frame do you want to trade this on? Swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. Swing low or swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. Okay, swing low, swing high, retrace, there's a buy. And I'm always looking, when it's trending, I'm always looking for, well, I mean, where do you go? Well, that's a swing low. Swing low, swing high, retrace. See the 50 to 618? That's my entry. It's got to be, that's my threshold. So I think I would get involved with this on the 1 hour. There's higher risk involved. I mean, look at this pullback. See that? Okay, so you can get caught out on the lower time frame a lot easier. But, you know, you get an opportunity. I mean, if you look, here's the thing with this. Let me just explain something. Swing low, swing high, buy. Buy. And the stop is always going to go under the previous low. That one got stopped out. See here? So you got to watch out for the volatility. This one worked out, you know, and you're going to find that most of these will work well for you. But every now and again, smart money is going to do that, and they're going to take you out. And that's why, you know, the lower time frame volatility can really catch you out. So you want to be careful with that. In any case, if I'm following my strategy, then, and understanding the risk on the lower time frame, you know, that's my entry. You'll find that most of these will work in your favor, and you'll come out on top. You will lose a few, but, you know, if you go with a 2R or a 3R, you know, a 2R outcome, you just need a, less than 40% win rate to break even. 40% and you're making money. All right, so I stick to the plan. So anyway, we've missed this opportunity on this time frame. So I'm going to be looking for more of the same. So if we go swing low, from this swing low, and then we project swing high, retrace. Okay, see the retrace back into these highs. All right, A, B, C, D, measured move, retrace. That would be, if you're going to speculate, you know, that could be an entry. Long position, right there. Stop under the low. But you're heading into some resistance, so you want to go. Yeah, you want to probably go for a 1.5R if you're going to do that. All right, so that's one way to approach this. How else can we look at this? Well, we can go down to a 15-minute time frame, but let's just put that aside as an idea. Okay, you know, you want to be getting in at the discount. This here, that's the discount. That's your entry point back in here. This is not a valid entry point. You want to go swing low, swing high, and come back down into this 50% to 618, and that's going to be a discounted entry. All right. So if that price action plays out, then, you know, we get an opportunity here. Again, I'm bullish, so I'm only looking for buy opportunities. Let's go down to the 15M and get really close to this. what do we got here? Yeah, it's a bit of a lower high. You want to be a little bit careful. We could see a bit of a pullback here. In any case, I think, yeah, this has to stand, guys. I you know, I don't want to compromise. I don't know, where do you want to pull that? Let's just grab these lows and these highs here. Something like that. I want to see a break above, retest and fail of the range. All right, so this is, I guess, my top-down approach, and that's what I'm looking at. But it has to trade above and then pull back into this to give me my Fibonacci 50% to 61.8. Right, that's one way to approach this, guys. So that's my take on silver at the moment. A trade idea, and you know, that's a plan. That's a trading plan. And the other part of this would be trading with consistent position sizes, so that you can manage your risk well, and you know, then you can measure your success. So go in small. 0.1% of your account is at risk, no matter what you're trading, and then you're keeping it consistent. That's the way to go about things, in my opinion. So that's a thing, and I think I'm done with this. I'm bullish, and I mean, look, here's another thing. By the way, if you were to trade this, and just depending on how you manage your trades, look at this here. Okay, swing low, swing high, pull back, right? Let's just do something here, and I've done this in another video, but okay, stop below the previous low, stop below the previous low. All right, we're going to just check something out. Stop below the previous low. Okay, there's not a happy smiley face. All right, we'll just do this. I'm going to show you something. That got taken out. But the thing is, if you play this well, they're running. Okay, see what I'm getting at here? This is another level, guys. Let's just paint a picture here. All right, let's say that was an entry. Stop below the previous low. All right, and we're looking for this target up in here. Right, you could manage your trades. These are still running, by the way. You've pulled your stop loss to better than break even on these. These are still running. That got taken out. This is still running. So we get another smiley, right? See where I'm going with this? So this is why this strategy, it's a winner. I'm building, you know, I've got 4 prop firm accounts running at the moment, and they're all in profit. One's funded. All right, so this is my strategy, and you know, you could run with something like that and understand the risk. Can that turn around and go against you? Yeah. You know, it might do that, who knows? But I think I'd go for that target, and something like that would be the thing. Anyway, guys, look, I'd love to hear your ideas. Definitely comment below, and with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.